Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, me and my team members will present about our group company, which is Boocoo Cafe. First of all, my name is MAHIRAH binti HASHIM. My metric number is 1181613, and this is my fellow friend ATHIRAH binti AZIMAT, MUMTAZ ILHAM binti Mat, SYAKIRAH binti JAMIL, and SITI AISYAH binti JOHARI. Let's go to the overview. So Boocoo Cafe was established on October 26, 2021 and starting the operations on October 31, 2021. Our Boocoo Cafe is located on Malaysia at Bandar Baru Nilai, Negeri Sembilan. Our vision is to become a world famous coffee cafe, and our mission is to serve a variety of coffee and pastry menus to customers and to enhance and encourage the community to read books while enjoying the coffee, then committed to always deliver a quality cafe experience. Do remember our cafe trademark? Taste one more. Then Boocoo Cafe is a startup to go into business, as we are focusing on selling coffee with new environment concept, which is a reading concept, which is a library in a cafe. Boocoo Cafe provides a variety of coffees, main dishes, dessert and pastries, and a reading section for the convenience of customers. As we can see at the screen here, these are among the menus available at our cafe. Okay, cafes and pastries here are suitable for all generations regardless of age and gender, range between 18 to 40 years old, especially for coffee lovers and students who are often making the cafe as their study place. Especially here is USIM students that are very new to Bandar Baru Nilai. Last but not least, our initial capital for our business is amounted to 20,000 ringgit. Let's go to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MUMTAZ binti Mat, metric number 1181617, and I'm going to continue on the SWOT model analysis. First, for the strength of our business is high service cultural with healthy environment like a clean place, good sitting arrangements, neat place, and nice seats. Second, we offer affordable price to customers and we guarantee quality products and services, brew the beans fresh in the cafe. Fourth, we focus on serving coffee and pastries only, and fifth, which is the last one, is variety menus of coffee and pastries. Next, for the weakness, first, less market data, difficult to collect the data, especially in this segment. Second, brewing process done manually to make a quality product, but time-consuming and costly. And the last one, highly competitive because it is something that people can copy and create the same product. Next, for the opportunities, first, can develop a direct relationship with customers with opportunity to establish a relationship with customers face-to-face. Second, it helps to develop innovation and new techniques in terms of new product taste or different seating arrangement of the cafe because we do things manually. Third, brand loyalty can be developed by offering rewards such as gift discounts to the regular customers so that we can attract new customers and retain old ones. Last one, for the trick is first, cannot raise the coffee price at certain limit because people will look our shop for being too expensive. Second, competitors give lower price of their product to attract market. And the last one is difficult in maintaining the same cash flow of the coffee shop business for every day. Okay, for the goals of our business is the main goals of our organization are to develop a well-known coffee cafe which provide diverse menus and food that is comparable to international products. Meanwhile, for the organizational goals, we strive to deliver the highest quality and most interesting coffee variation possible. Then maintain a high level of food and service quality. For the functional goals, all the departments are involved: project manager, marketing and designer, accounting, and finance and human resources management. All departments need to build target skills in each sector so they are implemented and practiced within the individual's daily routine. Then build a professional department in serving the customers. Okay, the project scope of this business, Boocoo Cafe is focusing on coffee, food, and new concept library in cafe. Next, our limitation for this product is the coffee product only can be delivered in a short range of places because the cold drink is not stay longer if delivered to a far place. Our customers also limit to the customers who do not have health problems such diabetes and high pressure blood. Then our product is not suitable to the old citizens. Our cafe has developed and designed company's website to ease the customer to check the menus, know new updates products, and for purchasing our product, our company cooperate with GrabFood and Foodpanda to do the COD activities.
Hi, I'm now SYAKIRAH binti JAMIL 118.1625. So, for the Boocoo Cafe, in this Boocoo Cafe, we have 6 process, which is initiation, planning, execution, confirm execution, introduction, and closure. Next is the 4-hour budget. For our budget, as MAHIRAH HASHIM was said earlier, the budget is 20,000 ringgit, but after we calculate, the total accumulated is 13 ringgit Malaysia. And the next is for the schedule and milestone. For schedule and milestone, we start our project on 26 October 2021 and we close our project after we review our documentation on 3 January 2022. And next is the for development process. For development process, first is the initial process. In this initial phase of a project is critical since it establishes the foundation for the project success. And next is the planning. On this planning phase, we create a scope plan, cost plan, schedule, performance objective, and strategy. Next is the execution. So after the project plan is evaluated, a prototype is created during the design phase to present the approach to target users. And after complete, we evaluate the prototype that we has done before and do SWOT analysis on Boocoo Cafe before we establish it. Next is the introduction phase. For introduction phase, it is time for user acceptance stage. So in this time, the prototype system and prototype was examined and launched. And last is the closure. For the closure, we complete the project analysis and report as documentation. That's all from me. And next is
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm ATHIRAH binti AZIMAT, my matric number 1181612. Now I would like to explain about the development environment. Development environment is the collection of process and tools that are used to develop the source code for a program or software product. This involves the entire environment that supports the process end-to-end, including the development, staging, and production server. For item, which is methods, we use case, waterfall, agile development methodology, rapid application development. For use case, this is applied for requirement capturing, and for waterfall, we use this for implemented the design. And for agile development methodology, we use this to overcome the problem that came from the waterfall. And the last one is a rapid application development, RAD. We use this for finalizing the project requirement and finalizing the design. And for tools, we use 4 of tools, which is the first one is Rational Rose, GLab, Jira, and Feedly. The first one is Rational Rose. Rational Rose we use apply for the design. GLab we use for issue management, and for Jira we use this for manage software development on the website. And the last one is Feedly. Feedly we use this one to organize the new feed. You just know function of Feedly is to organize the feed.
Now I would like to explain about Boocoo Cafe website, which is at this section we have home, menus, orders, about us, contact, and the last one is feedback. The first one, you can click home, and now you can click about us at this section, which is how we got here. And the next section is you can make a reservation to our cafe, and you can click submit from here. And the next section is menus. You can click menus button here. And for this session, we provide our menu, what we have in the cafe, and you can choose all over the menu. We also provide price for each menu, and you can submit order here. At this section, you can submit order. You can choose which food, and then you can submit the order. You can choose which is you want to pick up or you want to dine in. And then if you want to pick up, you can click the location here. And then you can save here. And then for the next section is about us. At this section, we are explain about us, the way it should be, our mission. And for the next section is contact. This one you just can submit this form to get in touch with us. And then the last one is feedback. This is our customer feedback about us. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, me, Siti binti JOHARI. So for the risk management, we divide into 4 parts, which is first is budget overhead. So to open the cafe, which have the website to promote, need to have amount of money to spend. Budget will overhead when the website crash or other people try to sabotage it. So we'll overcome this risk by manage properly the website and overcome the problem by another initiative such as run free ads to promote the business. So next is website crash or down. As we know, website crash or down will cause a problem while the customer looking up into the website. So we prefer to use good hosting. Furthermore, we provide security standard relevant to our website such as email archiving and backup. And next is risk product. Our product can be risked due to the damage while processing or while delivery to us. So our project manager will in charge to check the problem while the product on delivery to protect from damage and can be used. And the last is bad publicity. Our website will get a risk when some of the customer don't like with our product and will comment negative on our website to give low rate to our business. So our team marketing and designer will monitor this issue, will explain to the customer and apologize for the bad service because we use the trademark that customer always write. Next. So for the security aspect, we divide into 3 points, which is security requirement, procedure for monitoring security, and the last is procedure for reporting security incident. So first, security requirement, use of code information. Only customers who are registered in our cafe website account only can access the website so that we have the client backup data. So as you know, our main product ingredient are all sourced from local supplier. So to keep the ingredient of the cafe company product survive without any problem, we use security agreement in place with supplier and partner. So next is procedure for monitoring security. First is make it secure, second security scan, website monitoring, and the last is threat intelligence. So for the last is procedure for reporting security incident. First, there's planning of time to prevent security incident. Next, do incident detection and analysis. Next, do containment, eradication and rehabilitation, which is creating a containment strategy, identifying and mitigating the host and system under attack. Okay, then preparing a recovery plan, and the last is reviewing lessons learned and developing an evidence retention strategy. Next, for the inner aspect, according to Al-Ghazali, which knowledge will be obtained all forms of wealth, glory, authority, influence, position, and power, based on Quranic Surah Az-Zumar verse 9. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul hal yastawi alladhina ya'lamuna wal ladhina la ya'lamun. Sadaqallahu azim. Meaning, say Muhammad, are those who have knowledge equal to the who have no knowledge? And some hadith discuss about the importance of knowledge, which is an Anas ibn Malik qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, talabu ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslim. From Anas bin Malik say, the messenger of Allah, may peace be upon him, say, seeking knowledge is obligatory on every Muslim, narrated by Ibn Majah. So here we can conclude that the surah and the hadith say that the importance of seeking knowledge. So that's all from us. Thank you.